Hello guys, welcome back. Hi everyone, I just completed a free digital skill course on MTN Skills Academy, got my certificate, and I want to show you how you can do it too before 2026 starts. Now, what is prompting me for this video is I got a comment from someone who is asking me, I have not fully understand how to start this course for the video I made earlier on this MTN Skills Academy. So I'll be showing you how to start it and how everything works, because I've actually acquired my certificate, so I know how it works now. So first off, you go to skillsacademy.mtn.com. I'll also be dropping the link to this website in the description below. Then you press enter and you are visited with this home page. You click on save selected, then you click on sign in. So if you have not registered before, or if you have registered, you still see this. You select your country, which I'm picking my country, Nigeria, and we'll come to the login page, which you are preferred to use either your phone number to log in or your email, and it's 100% free, no hidden charges. The courses are 100% free, so you can use your phone number to log in, type in your phone number, and we send an OTP which you have to input back into here to log in, or you can use login or sign in with Google, which is what I'll be using. I'll click on it. Then when you are logged in, you'll be greeted to this dashboard. You can see that the courses are available for those in Nigeria, all African countries. You can have access to this. So where you'll be having first is the skill part. So the skill parts are different skills based on the skill level, and they have their own individual courses on it. So for the Welcome to Digital World, these are the courses in it, and for the digital literacy, you can see the courses in it, and also for each courses have their own, each skill have their own courses in each of each skill that are available here. You can see about 6 of them. There are 6 different skills. They have their own courses which you can click to start. Now if you watch over here, you have courses which are individual of all these courses are actually what is here. So here are the courses you offer. Like I said, MTN, before you have to complete 3 skills academic courses for you to have access to all these career academic courses. So if you have not completed these skills 3, you have to complete 3. So why you are seeing this one marked checked for me is because I'm done with this skill. You can see I completed this skill. That's why you are seeing this checked. So I'm starting the next one, and I was done with on that course, which I'll be showing you later, and my certificate I got from the course. So you have your courses which you will pick after completing your skill, 3 skill. Then you have your career guidance in case you want to know maybe which one is best for you. You have it here. Then you have your skill specializations, which it is selected. You can see that this is selected based on my career guidance. When I took the survey, it was able to pick, oh, these are my strengths, these are what I should register, but it's showing locked because I have not completed this. That's why it's showing locked. Then these are other courses or skills you can actually apply for. Then over here you have your graduate program. That should be when you are done and you want maybe to have access to MTN employment scheme or something like that. That's where you go through there. So over here I'll just be showing the person that asked how to start. Now for this digital skill, these courses with this company over here are actually website based, so they are on website. They don't direct you GSMA. You actually access it from here. So it's just from here. You click on it, you click on start course and start doing it one after the other. So you just like this one is just a text-based course, and you do the quiz after each chapter. You have a quiz to do. That's for this. Then LinkedIn is also same that way. So if you're clicking on LinkedIn, you want to start LinkedIn, you pick any course. If you click on this optimizing your work with Microsoft 365, click on start course. You can see that each of these is text based. So when you are done with this, you click on continue, you keep going next, continue, you keep go reading and going continue until when you are done, it marks good for you and goes to the next one. So each chapter has its own quiz which you can do to check your knowledge of your understanding for what you have learned from the previous text. So this is how it is. The only one that actually have access that redirect you is Coursera. So Coursera redirects you to their platform, to their website, where you can actually do the courses, and it takes some time to reflect. So if you have done Coursera courses on their platform, it doesn't reflect immediately. It reflects after some hours. But for this LinkedIn and the GSMA, they actually reflect immediately. So if you complete this course, it reflects here immediately that it's completed. The percentage increases based on how far you have gone. But for Coursera, it takes some hours for it to reflect over here. So how do you start with Coursera? I've showed you how to start with this. So you click on the course you want to do. So I'll be doing this. So you hold on. It's going to try to generate a link to redirect you. So you click on go to course. You see over here, click on your country and click on continue to Coursera, and you can see it redirecting me, and I am logging in to my dashboard. You can see the courses here, and over here you can see on my Coursera is showing me that this is actually allowing me because of this MTN, so I can access it through MTN. Then if you click on this MTN, so you can see the course. I'm already doing it, so I can go to course and start the courses. So whenever level I'm done, you can see the courses is loading. So this I've started it already, so you can see I've completed some sections. I'm actually on this. I just started it today. So this is actually how you start a course. Then if you want to go, maybe you don't want to come over here and go back, since you're logged in on Coursera, if you click on this MTN, it shows you all the courses on Coursera that MTN has registered. Then from here you can see data fundamental skills. You can see those ones you are doing. You can see them here, 2 others. You can see these 5 courses here are reflecting on Coursera. So you can actually complete each course from this section, and it also reflects here. Then you have other courses too. You can see the personal skills to thrive with digital jobs. You can see it here, personal skills to thrive in digital jobs. You can see them here. So these courses are actually here. So you are free to click on any one and start, but make sure that whichever one you start, you must complete all the course in that skill for this to be checked for you. So you need to complete 3 of them before you can unlock the main courses. So like I said, I'll be showing my certificate. So over here you can see the digital literacy course I'm doing. You can see my learning, like I showed you. You can see other courses here. Then for my certificate, I'll click here, go to accomplishment, and here you will see my certificate loading. So here's the certificate I just finished. This was the certificate I got. So if I click on it, so this is the certificate I earned for free. You can share the certificate, you can download it, and these are the skills. So this is the certificate I actually got from Coursera, and I hope on completing more courses so as to unlock a lot of courses here for you to do over 800 if not so 800 and something courses. You can see all courses are here which you can offer. There are a lot of courses: full stack, web dev, Python scripting. You can do as many courses as possible if only you can be able to complete this 3, so you can have unlock here and have access to all the courses here. There are a lot of courses in this section, and I think your skill guidance can actually help you to look for courses in that field. It's locked for now, so until I finish these 3 skills, I will not have access to it. So if there's any question, like I say, I always do video. I'm always here to respond to your comments. So start your tech skill journey before 2026. If something you don't understand, you want me to clarify, drop it in comment below and I'll respond immediately. Comment which course you are starting, and I'll feature some comments in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video so young Africans can benefit. Thank you, and see you in the next video.